Well, the winter weather is also impacting what's left of the holiday travel rush. Delays and cancellations piling up at Detroit Metro Airport, and you can see why. The snow was so thick it was blinding for some.
Yeah, the snow-clogged runways prompted the FAA to first issue a ground stop at Detroit Metro, followed by ground delay.
Ground crews have been working to clear the runways, but the snow is still causing problems.
And checking FlightAware right now, we're seeing around 427 flight delays and around 72 cancellations.
7 News Detroit reporter Peter Maxwell in Romulus talking to holiday travelers who are just trying to make it back home.
Snow-clogged runways here at Detroit Metro Airport pushing the FAA to first issue a ground stop, then a ground delay. And grounds crews here at Detroit Metro Airport busy staying on top of trying to clear the runways of snow, but the snow is still fueling problems.
My flight has been canceled to New Orleans. They couldn't get the plane out of Traverse City.
Luckily, we got the text that it was delayed before we left the house.
As a powerful bomb cyclone settles over southeast Michigan, high winds and heavy snow wreaking havoc on air travel at Detroit Metro Airport. Delays and cancellations began stacking up early Monday morning.
Honestly, it's frustrating anytime you have to wait, and waiting is just the name of the game for days like today.
Got the delay this morning, and then on our way here, got another message saying that the flight was canceled.
A spokesperson for the airport telling me that their ground crew has been monitoring weather conditions and are working around the clock to maintain runways and taxiways. Dr. Letha Powell and her family were headed to Disneyland in California and now have to put their plans on hold, but taking it in stride.
Everything God does is for a reason, so we just have to be patient. We got in line. We did get a flight that's scheduled to leave tomorrow morning.
Others seeing their canceled flights as a way to get some extra sleep.
I was kind of relieved to be able to sleep in today because I got rebooked immediately to a later flight.
When it comes to travel disruptions, I always say be proactive. Don't wait for the airline.
I spoke with travel expert Julian Keel about what flyers should do if their flight is canceled or delayed.
The first is to be proactive. Make sure you reach out before the airline reaches out to you. The second is to look for backup flights and book them, even if they're on other airlines. This is a great time to use your frequent flyer miles that may have been sitting unused.
Some passengers I spoke with say since their flight was canceled, they've decided if they don't make it on the next one, they'll just cancel their trip altogether.
I am staying back in Michigan now. I was going to New Orleans for 5 days. I have canceled my reservation at Marriott.
Hopefully we get there tomorrow, and if not, I guess whatever is meant to be is meant to be. You know, we'll just make other arrangements for the holiday.
At Detroit Metro Airport, Peter Maxwell, 7 News, Detroit.
Oh, what a mess. Thank you so much, Peter. And